I could remember a few, new words, and I could use them in my essay. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Nariko, and today I will be sharing with you 5 quick tips that I have learned while giving my exams, which I want to share with you to keep up the motivation you will have and to help you do well in your exams. Without any further ado, let's get started. So my first tip will be, do not be scared. Do not freak out a day or a week before your exam. So this is something which a lot of students go through, that if they have not completed their revision or if they are not sure if they will perform well in a certain subject, they start to freak out, they start to have anxiety, they fear what grade they will have in their results in that particular subject. And I would advise you that if you are confident enough, if you have revised enough, or even if you haven't, please feel confident. Please don't be scared of the exam, as it will only test a specific area of your knowledge, and it will not give you a statement of how you are and what you are going to become as a person. It's not defining your personality at all. So please remember that. My second tip would be plan down to the minute. Okay, so even see, for example, you have still a week before your exam is to take place, so you still have a lot of time. So plan your day according to what your priorities are. You need to prioritize your time. You need to manage your time efficiently. That is what exams do. They test how you are better in a particular field and how you are able to manage your time well. So make a list of subjects you are weak in. I specifically did this in a subject I was weak in, and I had to work on those particular topics specifically apart from the other topics which I was good at, so that when you focus on your weaknesses and you try to make them stronger and more of a power to you, you will do better in your exams even if that topic comes up, and you will be feeling confident even before a day of your exam, because you know that you have worked hard in the subjects you are weak in, and because you have put in the extra effort which was required in a weak subject. So yes, manage your time well. Make a list of subjects which you have to work hard in, and also the chapter wise topics which are your weaknesses. My third tip would be to be prepared with the revision techniques. Now you need to know which revision technique works for you. Maybe alerting works for you, maybe active recall, spaced repetition works for you, and highlighting, note taking, and revising the whole chapter before their exam is not going to help. And trust me, I have tried this personally. Note taking just before an exam is absolutely a waste of time. You need to just revise your previously made notes, and for you to complete a chapter or a subject efficiently before a day of your exam, you need to read the summary of the chapter, which will be available online on YouTube or on Google, so that you get a brief idea of what you are to be studying in the chapter. Then you can read through the chapter firstly in 15 minutes, then you can mark the important points and you can go through them again, and you can practice the questions given behind in your textbook. That is the most efficient method which I felt is necessary for you to revise, because revising the whole chapter and reading through it mindlessly is not going to help at all. My fourth tip would be to gain a balance. Now, I am not telling you to get off your social media at all, completely have no social interaction, not speaking to your friends, not listening to music, not watching what you like. See, what I did was that listening to music at reserving a particular hour in my day to listen to music, to watch YouTube, to talk to my friends, to consume social media. It is not bad at all. It will keep you sane mostly, and it will help you to engage with other people, to share your stress, to share your thoughts. And yes, do not get off social media completely. That is what people tell you, that it's a distraction. Yes, if you think that it is a distraction, you can can obviously limit your time on your phone or on Spotify or on YouTube. But for me, there was no need to get off social media absolutely. So yes, that's the fourth tip I would give you. Fifth would be to keep up reading. Now, if you know me, I am an avid reader. I cannot stop my reading habit even during my exams. So I did not stop it. I read a few pages, like 20 pages, and that was fine because reading would also help you in your English exam, which it did. I could remember a few, new words, and I could use them in my essay. So yes, do not stop your reading habit if you have, and if you don't, please cultivate one. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Press the like button and leave a comment down below to tell me what you are feeling right now if you had your exams, how nervous you are, how anxious you're feeling, and I will surely reply back.